Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you one of my homemade stuff that I am working on. This fire alarm control panel. I've been working on it since I've been working on it since I've been working on it after I got this scrapbook. And it is called The Alert at 8003. I have another homemade fire alarm I have. The fire alarm annunciator. Baxter 4099 means 4001-99 annunciator. It's another homemade stuff I've finished. My PTA system, which has this little box as the panel for the PTA system. This little card, as the microphone, and the air conditioning as the loudspeaker. I've also been working on everything, like my BT12, my Pyrotronic pole station, my Realock AS, my heat detector, and this control panel battery. I also have the sprinkler right here. And I haven't been able to test my BT12. This Realock AS is very old, and one time I couldn't get it to work. I just did one beep and it had a broken strobe. I also have more fire alarms up here. My Chinese special alert from Christmas 2012. And this pole station. It is extremely old and had no button or the circuit block. Well, I pull it like this, and it goes down. So that's it, YouTube.